Positioning of storage tanks and chillers. Positioning of the mixing tank. Install mixing tank working platform. Installation of the lifting elevator. Connection of pipes. Display effect after installation. Connect wires. Commissioning of PLC control system. Testing of the flow meter. Mixing tank operation test. Mixing demonstration, speed 0 to 63 revolutions per minute. Homogenizer demonstration, speed 0 to 3000 revolutions per minute. Automatic discharge products. Lifting elevator operation demonstration. Tank top mixing motor dismantling. Bottom pipe disassembly. Electrical cabinet and operation platform disassembly. Loading equipment into containers by forklift. Chiller and storage tank with stretch and bubble film. Loading of equipment into containers. Equipment securing. Completion of container loading.